guys, we are here at Fort... Anong pangalan dito? Fort Lauderdale.
Hindi ka nag-reply, sorry.
Going to Filipino restaurant, Filipina cafe. 10 minutes away from the airport. It's kinda traffic today and the weather is joke lang. You can see a lot of kahoy and coconut trees. Char lang. The weather is good, the sun is out. We're about to eat halo-halo. That's it.
Only one for the 4 of us.
Just one halo-halo for the 4 of us daw. So this is Florida.
Bawal magstay, ha?
Bawal pala. Sige, sa iba kami kakain.
Parang mas okay doon sa mukha. Aside from the Asian fusion.
Pupunta na din sa iba to. Hindi ito yung tinawagan mo.
Yun, tinatawagan. Kasi yung duha pangit maliit lang. Walang masyadong halo-halo.
So ito yung nakausap mo?
Yeah, carry lang. Kausapin natin sa ate. And then the other one, mas masarap dyan. But Asian fusion. Parang mga sushi.
May sushi naman natin sa
Doon sa...
For sure, yeah.
unlimited burgers na.
Pang ilang times na natin to here in Florida ka?
Dalawa.
No, 3 times.
Third
We went, nag-Disneyland tayo last time.
Actually, hindi ko na.
Hindi tayo
Orlando,
na.
Miami, Fort Lauderdale.
Hindi kasi yung Miami.
Tampa.
Orlando.
Sa may
Wait,
3 hours.
Fort Lauderdale is closer to Miami or Orlando? Ah, Miami, okay. Oh yeah, that's right. It's far.
Diba?
It's so far.
I like it.
Yung ano ba? Yung
Kat, look at the coconut trees, oh. Sobrang haba and skinny.
Anong design?
The kahoy, the
Nakita
coconut trees ba yan? Is that coconut trees?
parang.
No? I feel like. Palm tree pala. Okay, sorry.
Marami yan dito. Sa LA.
Kaya pala siya parang skinny.
Ilagay mo. Gumawa ka ng farmhouse.
Galing tayo nasa Pinas design.
Farmhouse.
Ang ganda ng Fort Lauderdale from the top, no? May
Di ba
lake and...
nag-drive tayo doon sa Kuan? LA din.
Yung Hard Rock, Miami yun. Ano?
Hindi siya.
What?
Hollywood
Anong
City.
place yun? But closer here, no?
Oo nga eh, di ba nakita natin from
Magkatabi
plane?
lang. Magkatabi. Hard. Guitar.
Ang goal natin next time
Yeah.
sa Europe ah.
Filipino.
Yes. My uncle joke.
Wish. I wish. A lot of money.
True. Very rich.
Sa kanya, Quebec. Quebec.
Ano? Quebec? Canada yan. Quebec.
Canada,
As
yeah.
far as Canada.
You just flew from Philippines to come over here?
No,
No,
from
no,
Chicago.
no,
Chicago.
Chicago. We're just gonna go for
The cruise.
The cruise.
This
Later
afternoon.
Later.
Later. We're just kinda. Oh, today?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
You think it's traffic from that Filipina restaurant to Terminal 19?
It's
I
not.
don't know where the
Oh.
Philippines restaurant is.
Ah,
That's
okay,
where
okay.
we're heading. Or you guys going to?
It's a
It's left
Filipino
Philippine.
restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Filipino restaurant.
Just
The hotel gonna take you to the.
No, that's the restaurant that we're heading.
Oh, now you're going to the restaurant now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 minutes. No.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
5 minutes now.
Yeah.
Because we got a lot of.
It's right here to go to the
To the terminal?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Oh, it's closer, so 5 minutes away. Oh, that's good.
Or it's over here. 3 minutes now.
Yeah.
Will I hear you guys speak Spanish too?
Poquito.
Yeah, just
Poquito Espanyol.
just a little bit.
Aquí la gente habla español.
Oy.
Oh, yeah.
And you're from.
Yo soy haitiano, pero entiendo un poco español porque yo trabajo con gente hispana.
See.
See, that's the only thing.
Guatemala? You're from Guatemala?
Oh, this one, Haitian.
Okay.
Yeah, Haiti.
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 But you guys speak French, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you
Yeah,
speak
they
a lot.
French.
English, French. We speak French, Creole,
Oh, okay.
Spanish, and English.
Yeah, because I used to have a co-worker. He's from Haiti as well,
Mm.
so he knows French.
I do.
You speak Tagalog?
He speaks French, Spanish.
I know, they
English.
know a lot of language.
Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, it's French.
Palm tree.
Whole Foods, wow,
Tanim
so
yan.
big. CVS, Whole Foods.
Gonna eat halo-halo.
Can I eat halo-halo first?
Helicopter tour.
Mucho dinero. 550.
150?
Oh, wow.
What? I don't know, it's like 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Wow.
30 minutos?
Is that
Only-
how it was before when you took it?
No, ours is only like 20 minutos for
Yeah,
$20 in Orlando.
It's cheaper.
For how much?
Helicopter,
It's
$20.
cheaper in Orlando.
20.
20 minutes for like
20 minutes
How
for
many?
$20?
Around 15 minutes, yeah.
But it's the small helicopter though.
Yeah,
Only a
smaller.
Oh, 20 minutes for 20.
$20.
Yes, it's in Orlando.
Is it
International
$20?
Drive.
Yeah, I think so. It's
Yeah,
19,
it's not that
19,
much.
Yeah,
19.
that was before during the pandemic,
Yeah,
where nobody's taking the
No,
ride.
Yeah.
true.
Maybe that's why it was cheaper.
Now it's so expensive.
Over here, this area is expensive.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
over here.
For sure, yeah.
Is this like a rich neighborhood?
You close downtown, you close to the beach, you close to the airport, you close to
yeah.
everywhere.
Oh yeah, that's the thing.
This hotel is like almost 500 a day.
What?
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's
This
more than.
hotel, when you get to this hotel, they give you
Oh,
free
that's
bus.
Embassy Hotel.
Yeah, embassy. They
With-
give you, they take you to the Port Everglades, to the boat and everything.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
When you pay, you have everything.
It's expensive in Chicago.
Not PD this boat, right?
La Bamba. Have you been to the cruise?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been walking to the cruise.
Oh, wow.
What cruise?
I've been, the first one that was Norwegian,
Mm.
and then the other one was Royal Caribbean.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
which one is better?
The second ones were better because I'm from the Caribbean, and then they go to Jamaica, Bahamas.
Yeah.
The other one
Norwegian.
it's too far. Go to Greece.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the Norwegian. Yeah, they
Yeah,
go
Norwegian,
to Europe.
go to Europe.
Europe, yeah, like
Yeah,
that.
Mediterranean.
I don't know how many days is that.
And then I can enjoy myself when I go to Europe because I have to send the boat over here.
Yes, yes.
They usually give me 2 hours to go out.
To go around.
Ah.
So,
Nice.
Hmm. That's a good tour.
yeah, because I was like security there.
Mm.
Oh.
Inside of the boat, yeah.
Yeah, that's
So I
nice.
have to be up every day.
Ah.
But the pay is also good, right?
The pay?
Mm.
The problem is I didn't work exactly for the cruise. I work for a company to send me work over there.
Oh,
Ah.
it's a third
So
party.
it's
Like
not
an
direct
agency.
hire, yeah.
A contract company.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ah.
It's not direct hire.
So the company got something from the cruise
Yeah, for
already
sure, yeah.
before you got it. Okay.
Turn right on Southeast 16th Court, then turn right on Southeast 10th Terrace.
This way. Fiesta Manila.
Turn right on
They put it
Southeast
right
10th
there.
Terrace, then turn left.
Nanirang dai.
Oh, the Chinese.
Oh, the Asian fusion.
It's not the Filipino food.
Abot na mi guys.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Yes.
Filipino here. Chinese.
Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Right here is La Filipina. Dara oh, is La Filipina na dia oh.